I've been made aware of this story by a Twitter user by the name of Daryl. I hope you don't mind me mentioning your name, but I know a lot of people are going to be having problems with this. Now, it appears the HBO Max hit series House of the Dragon has been causing problems on Fire TV sticks. So this guide is going to tell you a bit about the problem and how you can overcome it if you are having problems watching it on the HBO Max app on the Fire TV stick. Don't forget to like this video, share it and subscribe to my channel. Doing these 3 things will help us make more great videos for you. As I say, so there has been plenty of users reporting this. This has been reported on a lot of the social media platforms, and it's basically saying that they've been having trouble streaming the first episode. It lets you watch the advert before the show, but then just before the show starts, the whole app crashes. Now, it seems to be mainly affecting Firesticks, and as luck would have it, some users have found that by creating a new profile in the HBO Max app has solved the problem. Now, as I understand it, you can have profiles for everyone in your household, and your account can have up to a total of 5 profiles. And they've given us some instructions on how to add a profile. So it says, choose your profile. It's in the upper left-hand corner of TVs or upper right on some other devices. Choose switch profiles and choose then whether to add an adult or a kid profile. If you're creating a kid profile, this probably isn't going to work because obviously this series isn't really designed for kids. So it says to you, so add an adult profile and then go into that profile and then try watching it, and hopefully, fingers crossed, you should then be able to watch the episode. Let us know down below in the comments whether this has worked for you. Let us know if it hasn't worked for you. Let us know if you've watched it. Let us know if you enjoyed it. I mean, I must admit, I didn't watch Game of Thrones, so my other half has been watching it. She's been, you know, really looking forward to this coming. But to be quite honest with you, I'm not dissing it at all in any way, shape or form, but I don't know what the fuss is about because I simply haven't watched it. So anyway, but hopefully if you are a fan and you have been waiting for House of the Dragon and you've got HBO Max and you're having trouble on your Fire TV stick, then like I say, go into HBO Max, create a new profile and then try watching it. See if you can then watch it. Let us know in the comments below, like I say, if it's worked for you. And whilst you're here at my YouTube channel, don't forget to check out some of my other videos. I've got thousands of other videos covering all sorts of topics. Hopefully you'll find something to educate you, inform you and even entertain you. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button. If you think your friends, your family or your work colleagues might like it, then don't forget to share this on your social media timelines. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you find out about all my latest videos the second they're released. Hit that subscribe button, then hit the bell, then hit all. You can also find me on Twitter at CWTech and also find my website at cwtech.co.uk. Liking, sharing and subscribing really helps support this channel. Thank you very much.